In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best motorcycle battery. So let's get started. Number 7. SHORAI lithium battery. SHORAI is a low-maintenance, 12-volt, lead-acid battery that only weighs 1 pound. It's one of the lightest motorcycle batteries on the market and won't make a significant weight difference on your bike. The outer casing is made of a damage-resistant military carbon composite case, and the battery cells are protected from sulfation, which is when the battery degrades from being inactive and eventually fails. SHORAI is a safe and eco-friendly battery that doesn't contain lead or poisonous acids, and it doesn't emit poisonous gases when being maintained. The unit can hold an unloaded charge for a year without maintenance. It's designed to be an OEM fit, and the battery comes with high-density adhesive foam sheets that can be applied on a large battery box to make it a perfect fit. Number 6. Battery Tender SUPERSMART. The Battery Tender SUPERSMART battery is built with innovative technology designed to promote safety and prolong the life of the battery. It features a battery activation wire that activates the Smart Battery Management System, BMS, which protects the battery from electrical damage. The BMS keeps the battery from being overdrained, overcharged, and overdischarged. The unit is also protected from corrosion by a water-resistant casing with a high melting point. It's a safe battery since it doesn't have any liquid inside, and you won't have to worry about maintenance issues, such as checking for leaks. The battery only weighs 1.35 pounds, and you can safely transport it without worrying about explosions, fire, and damage. The unit has flexible accessory blocks that allow for a secure fit on most motorcycle models. Number 5. Pirate Battery Y50N18LA3. This 12V battery has a polypropylene cover that helps to keep the battery cool and protect it from potential damage. The AGM design of this battery makes it maintenance-free. It measures 8.11 inches long, 3.58 inches wide, and 6.45 high. It's compatible for use in motorcycles, jet skis, and ATVs. What makes this battery stand out is the patented sealed posts that prevent seepage and resist corrosion. It also has a unique active material inside that resists vibration and will prolong the battery's life. The battery comes fully charged, so it's ready for use upon delivery. Number 4. PowerStar HD YTX20BS. This AGM sealed battery from PowerStar is specifically meant for the Harley-Davidson 1340 cubic centimeters FX/FXR series. This battery measures 6.88 inches long, 3.44 inches wide, and 6.13 inches high. It comes with a low discharge rate and a capacity of 18 Ah and 285 cca. This battery will fit as the direct OEM replacement for many stock motorcycle, ATV, watercraft, and snowmobile stock batteries. What makes this battery stand out is that it weighs 20% more than comparable batteries. This means it has thicker and heavier plates for a more durable and powerful battery. The completely sealed design of the battery means you can install it in any position you need, and it'll be leak-free. Number 3. Chrome Pro YB14L. This sealed battery has a heat-sealed case that covers and protects against seepage and corrosion. The sealed posts extend the life of your battery by preventing corrosion. This battery comes ready to go and fully charged. It measures 5.2 inches long, 3.50 inches wide, and 6.46 inches high. You'll notice that this battery has a longer useful life than others because it has a unique and innovative inner construction. There's a special grid design that smooths out intense vibration. There's a special separator to make the battery spill-proof and regulate the conductivity to eliminate water loss and required maintenance. Number 2. Motobat MBTX16U. Topping our list of the best motorcycle battery units is the Motobat QuadFlex AGM. Motobat has developed an excellent reputation for building strong and reliable products, and their motorcycle batteries are of the highest quality. The company primarily develops gel and AGM batteries, which is great for customers looking for a completely maintenance-free experience. The QuadFlex AGM battery is our favorite from their line. The QuadFlex model ranges in sizes from smaller CCA up to very powerful CCA outputs, which means that they have a product to suit your motorcycle, whatever the size. What we particularly love is the overall versatility that the QuadFlex offers. They come with a variety of terminals, from exposed terminals to screw-down terminals, and also feature a very useful 4-terminal design, which makes it easy to connect it to lots of accessories with ease. Number 1. ACDELCO Gold ATX12BS. You can always rely on quality batteries when you buy from ACDELCO. This company specializes in producing batteries for recreational vehicles like motorcycles, ATVs, snowmobiles, and personal watercraft. The specialty battery from ACDELCO is known for its increased cranking power, reliable starting power, easy to set up nature, and maintenance-free experience. It arrives dry from the factory with a bottle of acid that has been pre-measured. When you're ready to install your new battery, all you need to do is fill it with the acid and properly seal the battery. Once sealed, the battery is 100% maintenance-free. The battery itself features box-type terminals at the top and front. These box-style terminals are useful because you can route your cables horizontally or vertically depending on what suits your motorcycle best.